Itsy spider went up the water spout. Oh, look at that. Hey guys, this is Sandy from Balloon Utopia and Market with Balloons, and today we are going to make a cute little spider. Okay, so what you need to make this little spider is you need two 1/60s, a 5-inch solid black, and a 5-inch black spider eyes. So that's what that looks like. You see it's got little eyes on it. Now, the sizing here doesn't necessarily matter. The main thing is that you want this one to be smaller than this one so that there's a relationship between them. And we're just gonna take the two, and you can tie them individually and then tie them together, but I'm just gonna tie them together by double wrapping them like that and tying like so. Okay, just making our standard duplicate. All right, so that's it. That's all we got going on there. And I got my new little pump here, my new little inflator. So instead of pumping it up, I'm just gonna... Now, why am I doing this on camera? Because I want to show you this is really tight. You do not want it to be this tight because we're gonna put a couple of bends in it and a couple of twists in it. Now, you do want it to be inflated to the end though. So you want to inflate it tight and then give it a good burp. So you see it's getting skinnier, but we've maintained that it's all the way inflated until the end, okay? And tie it off. And what you're gonna do, give it a little stretch. You're gonna find the center, like so, and pinch and twist one side. And then you're gonna come down, find this, it's folded over, find the center again, pinch, twist one side, and then we're just gonna put one through, okay? And that locks it. So like right now we kind of have like a weird awareness ribbon or a fish. And we're gonna do the same thing to our second 1/60. Okay, twist. Fold over, twist, you have your fish, put one through. Okay, and so now we've got two fish. We're gonna flip the fish over so that we have the tail to the head and the head to the tail, and then we're gonna twist, just like so. And now we're gonna take this, and we're just going to wrap it around, like that. Okay, so we could leave it like this, but the thing is now we have our spider like, So instead what we want to do is we want to put little Z curves into each one. And so what we're going to do for that is we're just going to take it and we're going to bend it so it looks like a little S or Z, and then kind of put pressure on the folds, okay? And that's going to train it to just stay that way. So we're going to go around and do that all the way around. Now, what happens if one of them pops when we're doing it? Do we have to start all over? Nope, we just keep on going because you know what? In nature, sometimes spiders lose a leg. Sometimes they are 7-legged and not 8-legged because, you know, stuff happens. And honestly, most of the time, people aren't sitting there counting the legs. Now, the other reason that besides that we're putting the Z curves and that we made some twists, that we want to have some squish factor in everything, is because I tend to do these outside a lot for Halloween in San Diego when it can be really hot. And in fact, I'm going to show you in another video how to make a spider column, and we're going to use these to embellish it all over the place. So here you go, our cute little baby spider. So if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you comment on it. Tell me that you liked it. Show me some love. Tell your friends that they should watch it too. Share the video. Also, tell me what else do you want to learn. I'm making videos every week, and I do look at your suggestions, and I keep them on a list, and when I go into the studio, I try to do as many as I can. I don't know how long it will take me before I'm able to shoot your video, but if I'm able to do it, I will. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel and tell everyone else you need to subscribe to my channel. Go buy my books on Amazon. That's about it. So there you go, we got our cute little baby spider, and I hope you like this. Until next time, go forth and balloonify!